In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a tab in Google Chrome. Whether you're a seasoned web surfer or a newcomer to the digital waves, understanding how to efficiently manage your browser tabs can make your online experience smoother and more enjoyable. Let's dive in and explore a few simple yet effective methods for closing tabs in Google Chrome so you can keep your browser organized and clutter-free. The most straightforward way to close a tab is by clicking the X icon located on the right side of the tab you'd like to close. This small but mighty button is your quick access ticket to shutting down any tab that's outlived its usefulness. Keep in mind, though, that this action is quite permanent. If you close a tab by accident, it might take a little maneuvering to retrieve it. But what if you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts? Lucky for you, Google Chrome accommodates this preference with a nifty shortcut key combination. By pressing Ctrl along with W on your keyboard, you can instantly close the tab that you're currently viewing. This method is especially handy for those who prefer keeping their fingers on the keyboard, boosting both speed and efficiency during your browsing session. Now, let's say you're ready to call it a day and want to close all open tabs at once. In this case, simply click on the three-dot menu located at the top right corner of the browser window. From the drop-down menu, look for the Exit option and give it a click. This action will close the entire browser, taking all tabs along with it. Alternatively, you can press Alt and F4 together on your keyboard for a quick escape from the browser. There are moments when we close tabs accidentally. Fortunately, Chrome has a handy undo feature for just such instances. By pressing Ctrl, Shift, and T together, you can reopen the last tab you closed. This powerful combination can be repeated, allowing you to recover multiple tabs if necessary. It's a lifesaver when you realize that the information you thought you didn't need is actually still required. Remember, mastering these simple practices can dramatically streamline your browser experience and improve your daily web activities. Whether it's a single tab or the whole browser, these steps make closing tabs a breeze. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a more organized browsing session from here on out. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Until next time, stay curious.